the heart of Nigeria, where culture dance with curiosity, Larinka Adventure leads the way. This isn't just travel, it's a movement, a bold step into stories untold, places unseen, and memories waiting to be made, with a group of curious souls ready to discover, to connect, and feel.
My name is Ado Awaye. I'm the founder and chief tour guide of Larinka Adventures. The story of Larinka Adventures is a funny story. I grew up being an introvert. I didn't like to go out, but I always found myself researching history. I love to hear about people's stories and things that have happened way before I was born. Suddenly, I got the urge to start moving around and I started to travel. And it seemed like my travels were aligning with the kind of stories that I read when I was a kid. And that drew me down to the cultural aspects of travel. I realized that most of the cultures I have encountered in my travels within West Africa so far they are all very similar, right? That was where Larinka Adventure started. The name Larinka came to be because, of course, for Yoruba people, you already know that someone who wanders around aimlessly, you call them Larinka, just because they have no direction. I am reforming that story. I'm reforming the meaning behind Larinka. So rather than going on aimless adventures, we are going to places to bridge culture and tradition, to make us see that all tribes that we have right here in West Africa are intertwined, whether we like them or not. I have been to Benin Republic, I've been to Togo, I've been to Ghana, and I'm still exploring. And one thing I can tell you is the only thing that is different is the language and the greeting. Every other thing is the same. We have the same delicacies, most of it. We have very similar traditions. In fact, those who worship the traditional gods worship the same gods with different names. It's just to bridge culture. That's the goal, that's the mission that Larinka is on. And gradually, we're achieving it. We are currently at Yake Lake, at Ado. So Yake Lake is basically the only suspended lake in Africa, one of only two in the world, and it's atop a mountain. That's why it's called Suspended Lake. We've come here to go and tour it and see how wonderful this particular landform is. Our journey to Ado Awaye has been pleasant so far. Very smooth. And I hope our hike is going to be smooth too. I mean, as you can see, it's pretty high, but we're up for the task.
Mo jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí ìlú Ado Awaye. Òkúta ìṣàgé tí mo fọwọ́ kàn yìí ni òkúta tí àwọn baba wa máa ń bọ láti ayé àtijọ́. Òkúta yìí ẹ̀rí tẹ́ bá rí ìsàlẹ̀ ẹ̀rí pé nǹkan tó fi dúró kò ṣe nǹkan tó pọ̀. So ó jẹ́ nǹkan ìyanu fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn tó máa ń wá síbẹ̀. Kò sí nǹkan téèyàn fẹ́ nídìí òkúta yìí tí wọ́n bá béèrè fún tí ó kì í ṣe. So a máa ń bọ. $50 billion. A máa ń bọ. $50 billion. So tẹ́ bá nídìí ọmọ anything tẹ́ bá nídìí tẹ́ bá débẹ̀ tẹ́ bá béèrè fún ó máa ṣe fún yín. Ẹni tó nídìí ìyàwó, ẹni tó nídìí owó, ẹni tó nídìí anything. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ béèrè fún tí kò kì í ṣe. Ẹ ṣé o.
How are you guys feeling so far?
Man,
how do you feel?
I'm getting tired.
You're tired?
What?
Oh my goodness, you're just getting started.
Wow.
What's going on, so please?
No, I did see you.
You know easy, Abby?
You know easy.
Oh man.
Easy,
Oh.
Tell us,
How are you feeling so far?
You can see the way I'm panting like a dog. I don't know, it's a lot, but
See the sweat. Oh,
tell you,
what's going on?
this is tougher than a leg day. I'm telling you. But then getting up here, the view is, at least it's giving me hope. Like, okay, this is worth it, to be very honest. But then we'll keep pushing. We still have a long way to go, so let's get it.
Hey, why? You're the reason why we are here. What's going on now?
Nothing is going on. I'm waiting for you people now. You're not saying our back.
You're squatting this way.
Now my back una day now. I just like to turn and wait for you. What is me tired? Can you see that fat man behind me without his shirt?
Your face says otherwise.
What does my face say?
You say you're not tired, but
My face says join an adventure with Larinka Adventures. Come on.
Yeah.
We go again.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, people.
Oh, Jesus.
You will feel as if you want to die, but you will not die.
You cannot die.
You cannot die. Yeah. I mean, hiking the Ado Awaye mountains is not a small feat. You have to be mentally, physically, and every challenge you can think of. You just have to be ready.
Honestly.
You just have to be ready. Oh, business. Oh.
You didn't know that I'm asthmatic.
Oh, sorry. Damn.
ìyá kí la wà yìí so ọ̀kan nínú àwọn òrìṣà orí òkè Adó àwọn babaláwa bá wa odò yìí ó jẹ́ ọ̀kan lára àwọn òrìṣà tó jẹ́ gbòógì lórí òkè yìí so omi yìí a máa fi ń ṣe àdúrà ní fún gbogbo ẹ̀dá yìí tó bá fẹ́ anything téèyàn bá fẹ́ téèyàn bá débẹ̀ téèyàn bá ti bomi yẹn téèyàn bá fi ṣàdúrà èèyàn máa rí kó jẹ́ obìnrin tí kò rọ̀mọ́ bí tó bá ti bomi yìí tó fi ṣàdúrà tó dẹ̀ nígbàgbọ́ nínú omi yìí pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run máa ṣe ọmọ yẹn fún.
Ẹ sọ pa Ìyáké báwo ni orúkọ ẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́ Ìyáké?
Ìyáké
Sọ́ni Ìyáké
Ti Ado Awaye.
bí orúkọ ẹ̀ ṣe jẹ́ Ìyáké ni wípé arábìnrin kan wá láti Ọ̀yọ́ ó jẹ́ àgbọ̀n so ẹ mọ̀ kò sí bí obìnrin tí ò bá rọ́mọ bí kò wá possible láti jẹ́ pé kéèyàn máa fi nǹkan yẹn gúnyàn tí ògbà tó wá pé obìnrin yẹn ní àgbọ̀n ó wá sórí òkè yìí láti wá ṣe prayer but àgbọ̀n yẹn náà ẹ mọ̀ ẹni èèyàn tí inú ń bí so ìgbà tó débí báyìí ó ṣe prayer so Ọlọ́run ò ṣàtètè dá obìnrin yẹn lóhùn ó wá kó sínú odò yẹn ó kó sínú odò yẹn kò jáde mọ́ dọjọ́ àárọ̀ yìí so nǹkan tó fi ń pè ní Ìyáké nìyẹn gbọ́mọ fún Ìyáké yẹn òun jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bíi kéèyàn sọ pé akọ lélẹ́yìí àbò lélẹ́yìí tí wọ́n bá tẹsẹ̀ bọ́ inú gbọ́mọ fún Ìyáké yẹn náà so ó máa transfer èèyàn sí inú odò yìí náà fi sọ pé èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ ti ẹsẹ̀ bọ́ nínú Ìyáké yẹn so nǹkan tó fi ń pè ní Ìyáké nìyẹn èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ tẹsẹ̀ bọ́ no the small one tó wà níbẹ̀ yẹn èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ tẹsẹ̀ bọ́ yes. nígbà tí àwọn bàbá wa ń jagun ní ayé ìgbà yẹn tí ó tó gun lé wọn wá sí orí òkè níbí báyìí orí òkè yẹn ni wọ́n ń gbé so elephant wá wà tó máa ń da àwọn bàbá yẹn láàmú tó ń pa wọ́n jẹ nígbà yẹn so àwọn bàbá yẹn wá wá ọgbọ́n ìbílẹ̀ ni wọ́n lò fún elephant yẹn láti jẹ́ pé bóyá afẹ́fẹ́ pé kó máa lọ so ọ̀nà tí elephant yẹn ń gbà igi gangan tí elephant yẹn ló fi ara gbá igi yẹn ló fi wó so wíwó tó wá wó wọ́n rí i pé igi yẹn ṣubú dẹ̀ fọ́ọ̀mù elephant sí ilẹ̀ yẹn lọ́ fi ń pè ní elephant tree.
Ibo ni elephant wá pàpà lọ?
Story táwa bá nìyẹn a lè sọ pé bí báyìí elephant yẹn lọ. Àwọn gọ́gọ́ kọ́ lélẹ̀.
That looks like the eyes. Yeah. This looks like the trunk actually, not the other side. It looks like it's sitting and looking at facing us here. Come on.
Kí lẹ sọ? A ti go over 500 years.
So, báwo lẹ ṣe mọ̀ pé ó ti pẹ́ tó yẹn?
Over 500 years ago, wàláì. No.
Àbí ibi tó ti ń lọ ọkọ̀ náà nìyẹn.
Ibi tó ti ń lọ ọkọ̀ náà.
It's scary, but then
It's scary.
I just find it scary a little bit, like just
Driving down here was seamless. Driving back, I'm sure it's going to be seamless. The journey was sweet. The hike, very stressful and very interesting. It was exhilarating. You get tired and you're just like, nah, I want to keep going. I want to keep going. I want to keep going. That's what Larinka aims to do in all our trips. You get there, you hear the stories, and you get more interested, and you have to go deeper into it just to know and understand. Officially, as a business, this is the first trip that Larinka is organizing. Unofficially, this will be the fourth or fifth. This will be the fifth trip that Larinka is organizing. Unofficially, we've gone to Badagry, we've gone to Osun Osogbo, we've gone to Togo. We've done a couple of tours around, and over time, you'll see our throwback post on Larinka Adventures page on IG. It's Larinka_Adventures on IG. So we're going to post them there, and then we'll give you the backstories of all those trips. Join Larinka Adventures, where stories become a destination.
Hey, it was really thrilling. It was fun and it was exhausting, because I'm not gonna lie. Because I mean, you can literally see how tall this mountain is, how this hill is, but trying to climb it, experience it, getting to see the suspending water, it was actually fun. It was worth it getting up at the top. I felt like I was on top of the world. So yeah.
It was fun. I really enjoyed myself, just that my legs are aching but then it was worth the journey. I'm happy I tagged along.
Coming to Ado Awaye, a town in Oyo, Nigeria. Yes, coming here to see the suspended lake, the only two in the world. So I enjoyed myself coming here to climb the mountains, hiking. It was not an easy challenge, but we got there, and I was glad I was part of this journey.
So we come to the end of the tour. It was energy taking, energy consuming, and then also energy replenishing. It was beautiful, and this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning of our journey. We're going to have a whole lot more. We have a whole lot more in store for you guys. So just follow us, keep in touch. In fact, we are going to keep in touch with you. Don't worry about that. But just follow us, and then you're going to get beautifully curated trips. Thank you.